Okay, for number 3, they're asking us to compare and order numbers. And so what they have done is they have given us the following numbers to compare and order below. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they said that we could only choose 4, but I don't really like that. So we're going to go ahead and do all 6. Because if you can do if you can do 6, you can do anything. So what I want you to do is I want you to put a less than sign here. And I want you to add a blank to the front. And then I want you to put a less than sign here. And I want you to add a blank to the end. Now we can get all 6 numbers in here. So when we think about ordering numbers, one thing that you can do is you can get your paper, and if you need a sticky, I think what I'll do is I'll give everybody a sticky. Alright, so we all have a sticky, and if you're just tuning in, then you can just grab notebook paper, but I am noticing as I survey that we've got numbers with decimals. So I'm definitely going to line up my decimals real quick before I even get started. Remember, our icon for this is the buttons on the t-shirt, right?
Yes.
Our icon for this is our buttons on our t-shirt. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my number 1.8. I'm just going to drop it in. Okay. I'm going to take my next number. This does require me to write neatly 1 and 794 thousandths. I'm going to take my third number, 0 and 985 thousandths. I'm going to take my fourth number, 1 and 9 hundredths. We have the number 1. And some boys and girls don't remember that, really the number 1 is just 1 decimal 0. And then we have 1 and 56 thousandths. Alright, so what I can do is I can just kind of fill in so that now we have an even playing field. And when yours kind of looks like mine, just give me the thumbs up signal, then I know that we're ready to move on. So remember that this symbol right here is called an inequality sign. You might see that on your test. I don't want that to trick you because the word inequality means not equal. That's right. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, and we read this left to right, so it's less than. All of this means this is going to be the least to the greatest. Least to the greatest. Okay? So the smallest number we see, we start at the beginning. What number could I write in there? What number could I write in here? What is the smallest number? 3. 1 is your smallest number? Look here. Yeah, don't let that trick you. So we're going to start with our smallest number, which is 0 and 985 thousandths. Now that I've used that one, I'm actually just going to kind of cross that out. What could come after that? We have all of these ones. So I'm going to go to this piece right here. Where am I going to look now? Geo? I'm going to look at the zeros. And I'm going to move over. And what's smaller, the 5 or the 9?
5.
The 5. So I'm going to write that one. 1 and 56 thousandths.
Wouldn't you write the one with the 0? The one with the second 0?
The second 0? There's only one with a 0.
No, but on the second last one, there's two
This
zeros.
one?
Yeah, 1,000. Yeah, that one. There's 2 zeros.
Oh, you are so right. Oh my gosh. Yes, yes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good catch, David. Good check. Okay, so we have our 1. Okay. Now what's going to come next? The 5 or the 9?
5.
The 5. Thank you. I'm so glad you caught that because we could have made a huge mistake.
Pay attention.
I'm glad. And what's going to come after that? The 1 and 900ths. Or 90,000ths. Okay, so we got all of those taken care of. That just leaves these two. So which one's smaller of the two? The 7. The 1 and 794 thousandths. And the 1.8 are largest. All right. Are there any questions over that? Caleb, question? No, we got some other things to do, but I just wanted to kind of take care of this together. I'm going to take my sticky off. You write a true comparison here. I'm going to give you 2 minutes, and then we're going to roll again for our next number. You write your own true comparison there. Please don't whistle.
Okay. Now write a true comparison. So what? Now you're looking at the greater number. Which number? It could be a couple of different answers, but well, I'd like to jump through it too. So what if I picked of these numbers? Like say I put 1.8 here. 1.8 is greater than what? 1.8 is the greatest number, isn't it? What time is it? So it's the greatest of them all. So anything below it is yeah. There you go. Oh, I just assumed we were going to use them. I don't know if you actually are or not. You're probably right too. I don't know. Either way, you're both right. It's true. It's true. You just did it. Get tempted. Smart. Really? Good job, baby. Look who's looking out for you.
Did you write a true comparison?
Yes.
I need one person to tell me one to write down. Just one that I need to write down. One answer. Jose. 0 and 9 is... Okay, so 9/10 is greater than... Ooh, I like that one. Okay, so remember we compare one digit at a time. And when we're looking at that, we're looking at this number right here. Okay? I love that you were able to participate. For time purposes, we're going to move on. Where did my die go? All right. Pick somebody else, Miss Ritchie, because I know you got eyes on everybody.
I do. Brinkley.
Brinkley. Roll.
I just had a question. Do we write what we wrote or do we keep it? Do we keep it real again or do we write it?
4. Everybody had the number 4.
On that one,
Yeah.
798 is not there.
Is less. Because we compare.
Yeah, it's 794.
I know, he just chose a random one. Okay, for this one, we need expanded notation. Expanded notation, if you'll look over here, means that we're going to use those parentheses one digit at a time, and we're going to stretch it out based on the value of the number, right? Okay, so we're going to start. We're going to have to get 2 of these in here. So if you want to just kind of make you in a little invisible line to write on, and I'm going to write in pencil. Okay, and I'm going to put, I wish they would have given you a line, but they didn't. I'm going to put fraction on top and D on bottom, decimal version on bottom. I will tell you, I saw something on your test, sort of like this. Okay, so we're going to take the number 13. We're going to kind of stretch it out, decompose it. So we're going to say 1. 1 times the value. Oh, you know what we should do? Everybody get this out. This is what I would want you to use on your test.
We can use that on our test.
Yes, you can use this on your test.
You can use anything.
If we make it, you can use it.
What she already had?